Hi, I'm Hazel Ricky, UR14CS293. This is my database 7th experiment. In this, we are going to create an application with the help of triggers and cursors. So my first question is to raise an application error if the student tries to enroll the same course for more than one time. So in this particular experiment, first we created a trigger with the help of create or replace trigger, where this is my trigger name T1. In my inquiry table for each row, where I am displaying a raise application error, where if any particular register number has already registered, then for the same course, then I'm trying to show them that they have already registered. So in this particular example, I am first inserting I'm inserting a particular person into my record, and then I am trying to insert that person again with the same course code. So in this particular trigger, if you see, I have done code enquiry.course code, where I am checking if the course code is the same. So if the course code is the same, that is if it is equal to 10, then that particular person will be shown a message where they have already said already registered. So when I'm trying to insert this and again trying to do it, it is showing a particular error where it says already registered. That is I'm raising an application error. Then my second question is to create a trigger to delete the record in the enrollment table. Corresponding row has to be removed from the inquiry. So when I'm creating a trigger T2, where before delete an inquiry, for each row declare begin. If deleting, then display that row is deleted with course code and the old course code. So in this particular question, I am saying delete from inquiry, where inquiry number is equal to 11003. So in 11003, it is displaying that the row is deleted with course code 10, and it is showing that the one row has been deleted. Then my next question is create a trigger that will inform you to update the fees at the last day of the current year. So in this particular question, I am creating a trigger saying T3 before update on batch. For each row declare begin if updating, then dbms output dot put line, you can update the fees and the new course fees. So in this particular it shows that the trigger has been created, and update batch set to show that the particular message has to be displayed, that they can update the fees at the last date. It shows update batch set course fees is equal to 4000, where course code is equal to 20. So in this particular example, you can see that you can update the fees at the last day of the current year only, and it shows that the new fees is also 4000, and it shows that one row has been updated. Then my next question is to create a cursor to display the average fees paid for each course. So in this particular question, I create a cursor saying declare count number 9, and I'm creating a cursor called C1, and I'm asking for the average fees from batch, and it is I'm doing it by group by course code. So in this particular cursor, I'm fetching C1, which is my cursor, into CNT, and then I'm displaying a message saying average of the particular fees. So at the end of my cursor application, it shows average is 4000, and it also displays PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Then my next question is to create a cursor program to show that if the enrollment is for 2 courses, then it is to give discount of 2%, and if it is 3 courses, to give a discount of 3%. So in this particular trigger, first I'm displaying my batch where the original course fees is given, and in that later I am showing I'm creating a cursor called C2, and for my particular table for enrollment for the column batch code, and then I'm creating a loop. In this loop, I'm creating a discount for those who have enrolled for 2 courses or 3 courses, but for this mainly I'm creating a discount for the one which is enrolled for 2 courses, and it says 0.2 into course fees. So then my loop, I end my loop with the statement end loop, and I'm also closing my cursor C2. At the end of this particular statement, it shows that my table is modified at 101, 102 and 103, which is my batch codes. Then when I display my batch again, it shows the particular course fees along with the batch code, the entire batch table and the discounted values. This is my dbms 7th experiment. Thank you.